What's going on, guys? My name is Josh, and this is my cafe racer project. It's a 1982 Honda CM450E. It's the electric start, obviously, because it's the E. Got the battery taken off already. It's kind of dark, but battery's right in there. Took that off. Carburetors are off. Stuck a t-shirt in the engine to keep moisture from getting in and rusting and corroding. So basically what we're starting off with is the carburetors. And there's been a lot of issues I've seen online. One sec. Grab pods. About pods. And pods, when you put them on your carburetors, they just run like crap. It's pretty well known at this point. There's all kinds of solutions and cheats for it, but I'm going to show you real quick basically how it all works. So, set down the camera real quick. Airflow comes into the back of the carburetor right here, and that's where the pod would attach. I'm sorry, actually goes, this is the bottom, and this connects to the engine. So basically you take the bottom, the bowl off, and what you have to do to fit the pods on, in theory, is what you have to do is take out this main jet. To get the jet needle, which goes up through this jet, you have to drill out this jet, or get, I believe it's 2 sizes up on the jet size. I'm going to try the next size up and the size after that, so the next 2 to see which one works the best. And that should, in theory, get the air to fuel ratio just about perfect. You might need to do some tweaking on the rest of the carburetor from there. Got the book here, and I've just been reading up a lot on it. And basically, that's all you got to do. So yeah, that's for the carburetors. And for the rest of the bike, what we're gonna do is switch out the headlamp with a new one. This one's got a crack in it right along the side here. Put new turn signals on it. Take the old ones off. They're on these rods stuck out to like here. They're enormous, big old Mickey Mouse turn signals. I might change out the trumpets for cones, the exhaust pipes. I'm going to paint the exhaust black. I'm going to strip it down to the frame, repaint the frame black, do a gloss black engine with maybe some gold or white trimmings, and pretty much just go from there. Anyways, hopefully this answers some questions. I'll be putting more stuff online about the carburetor to make sure that works, and jetting, and drilling out the jets, and how to get the pod filters to work very soon. Anyway, thank you for watching, and subscribe for the next video. See ya.